Cinunuk Tourism Village. Kampung Cibolerang Tourism Village is in the East Bandung. It is exactly located in Cinunuk Village, Cileunyi Sub-District. This tourism village is easy to reach through Padalenyi Toll Road. It has potential art such as Sorakan Kampung Seni Kultur Art, Reaksi Dog-Dog, or Dog-Dog Reaction, and Reog. Besides that, there are also traditional games such as kereta gebok, jajangkungan, and other traditional games. There are also some handicraft made of wood as souvenirs from Cinunuk Tourism Village.